If you're craving something chocolatey but on the healthier side, these almond flour chocolate cookies are just what you need. They're soft, chewy, gluten-free, and ridiculously easy to make. Plus, they come together in no time. Perfect for when you need a sweet treat fast. Let's get started. First, let's mix our dry ingredients. I've got my almond flour here, and to that, I'm adding in some cocoa powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Give that a quick whisk until everything's combined, then set it aside. Now, on to the wet ingredients. I have some softened butter in my bowl, and I'm adding in brown sugar. You could use light or dark, whatever you have. Using an electric hand mixer, cream these together for about 2 to 3 minutes until light and fluffy. This step is super important. It gives the cookies that perfect chewy texture. Add in an egg, beat for about 20 seconds until fully incorporated. Next, mix in vanilla extract because let's be honest, vanilla makes everything better. Now let's bring it all together. Gradually add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. I like to do this in 2 batches, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to mix or your cookies won't be soft and chewy. Time for the best part, chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet, but feel free to use whatever you like. Gently fold them in with a spatula, making sure they're evenly distributed. Using a cookie scoop, portion out the dough onto a prepared baking sheet. Be sure to space the dough balls about 2 inches apart. Add a few more chocolate chips on top for that perfect cookie look. Somehow I didn't record this, but it happened. Bake at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are set. They might look soft when they come out, but don't worry, they'll firm up as they cool. Let them sit on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. And that's it. Almond flour chocolate cookies. They're soft, chewy, and packed with rich cocoa flavor. Like a brownie bite, but in cookie form. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious treats. You'll find the full recipe linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.